Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to factory reset Windows 11. Step 1, hit the Windows key to open the Windows 11 start menu. Step 2, now you need to get to recovery subsection of the Windows 11 settings menu. The fastest way is to type reset while the start menu is open, then press enter when the reset this PC option is highlighted in the result. That will take you directly to the right section. Step 3, once you have reached the recovery subsection of the system settings menu, you will see some recovery options available. The one you want reads reset the PC. So click the reset PC button next to it. Step 4, now you just have to configure how you want your Windows 11 PC reset at time of publication. You typically get two options: keep my files and remove everything, which do basically what they say on the tin. If you click remove everything, your Windows 11 PC, all data settings and apps will be removed and your PC will perform a fresh install of Windows. This is the fastest, most efficient way to factory reset Windows 11. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.